sorry, this is not Volvo content today. Today what we have is the tow rig content. Now, unfortunately for me, my fuel pump went out. Now, also lucky for me, it went out in my driveway. Unbeknownst to me, to change a fuel pump and a Ford, you gotta drop the tank. So I like to say, fuck you, Ford. I got tools. So what I did was I got out the Sawzall, the angle grinder, and anything I could cut with. Look at the gross ass carpet. Ugh. And that's what I did. I cut a straight up trap door. And I have my own wire because inside this wire loom is the main power wire that goes to the pump. But for some damn reason, the pump was bad and there was no power going to it. So I used the power coming off the 4x4 because I don't have a 4x4. I used that relay and power mechanism to power my fuel pump. So as soon as I turn the key on, the fuel pump's running. I know it looks like a straight mess. Oh, the things you're doing. So yeah, Ford could have done this. That'd have been nice. You know, but they don't care about us. They don't care at all, I guess. But yeah, so since I cut that out, once I get it back in, I'm gonna take some plastic and some Gorilla Tape, cover that hole, put the seat back. I ain't gotta worry. The reason I'm going back in it, because I did replace the fuel pump because it left me kind of stranded in my yard. But I put a turbo Volvo 940 fuel pump in it. And it worked just fine, guys. In case, I mean, I don't know any other weirdo that would need to put a Volvo turbo fuel pump inside their V8 Ford truck. But it has enough fuel. I fly down the highway real good. It idles great. I guess it likes the consistency of having the power, you know, flow from it, from something that isn't a stupid Ford wiring harness. Because Ford, I don't like your wiring harnesses. Why you gotta change it every year? Why they gotta change the colors halfway down the loom? Y'all do bullshit, and it pisses me off. But there's ways around your bullshit, and that's what we talking about today. So what I'm gonna do is get that off. But before I get that off, let me go show you what kind of fuel pump I'm using, okay? Well, okay, kitty, damn, yeah. Where'd it go? Did I walk past it? Boom. Fake Hellcat fuel pump. That's what I'm running in here. I don't want to hear nothing about OEM stamps, TI company. I don't want to hear none of that. $40, I can buy 2 of them for the price of those. I ain't worried about it. I've known other people to use that pump for their turbo projects, and it worked great. So that's what I'm doing. I'm putting in a Hellcat pump, so I got all the fuel I'll ever need. If I blow the motor, I'll just put an LS in. Already got the fuel pump ready and flowing. So yeah, let's go. gonna be hard for you to hear me. My friend and my neighbor, he mowing the yards. So yeah, we gonna let that fly. But this is a Volvo 240 in-tank pump right there. For the kind that only have one pump, 95, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is it. And I'm about to take it out, reclamp the Hell Kitty pump right there, and then I'll get back with you. Okay. I did have to wire it in because obviously only two different types of very different. And so yeah, I had to cut the wires and splice them together, which really ain't no big deal. I left plenty of wire in case I have to do it again. This is the 450, like the first rendition of their pump. Then they came out with that 525. Either one of them will flow enough more gas than I will ever need. Even if I turbo LS swap it, I still won't need but so much gas. I'm not going for but so much, guys. Just a fun tow rig. So yeah. Now I'm about to put it on the hanger right quick. All right, that is just some leftover rubber piece that came off a fuel pump. So no, it shouldn't swell or do anything too weird. And I used it to clamp around here just to insulate it because it's touching in the back right there. It's touching right there. You know, it's to keep it from humming too loud. It's probably not gonna be that loud. I don't know. I'm kind of interested to see what it sounds like. And ready to close that up. It smells like gas. Like all that red dust and dirt has gas in it now. So I'll drive down the street. You know, the last 2 days. I'm ready to get all covered today. Put you right here. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but she humming. She humming. Gorilla Tape. Panel. Well, let me tuck that right there. Yeah. I win. Ooh, that old. Ooh, it finally happened, folks. Guess I'll give me a better tripod. So I win. Fuck you for it, I win. I win. Yep. I win. Eat a dick.